Good morning, folks, reporting live from the Granite State here in New Hampshire. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Headed today towards Loon Mountain Resort, located in Lincoln, New Hampshire. Vertical there, 2190. They've got 73 total trails there. Excited to get back up to the northeast. I'm actually going to be meeting up with Jason Fuller Adventures again and Ella. I'll leave his channel link in the description below. But excited to get out here, check out New Hampshire. First time skiing here in the Granite State. And not really sure what we're going to get into, but it should be a fun day out there on the hill. I know we left you mid-Atlantic during your best season. I planned this early, I promise, but looking forward to getting out there at Loon today, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Got Jason Fuller in the house once more, y'all. The reuniting is on. Morning, Ella.
Hey.
How we doing? All right, we're already ducking ropes. Today's gonna be a good day.
I don't have a seat yet, man. Don't push me off the edge.
Might be going crazy, don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at you. You're like a firefly. Got me out of the woods now. I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Loon Mountain Resort, located in Lincoln, New Hampshire. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. It was awesome meeting up with Jason. Again, I'll leave his channel link there in the description. But I'm going to give this place a 4.5 shred score. There's some good variety to its trails. I hear it gets a little crowded being located somewhat near Boston. Conditions here were pretty good. Not too icy like I was expecting, honestly, but in general, I think I'd come back to this mountain. They've got all the amenities, right? They have an 8-pack lift with a heater bubble and heated seats. It's pretty wild. And they also offer a gondola here. Thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to getting to my next hill. We're going to be headed to Cannon Mountain there in New Hampshire as well. So looking forward to getting to my next hill, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, y'all, we made it to New Hampshire. We're at this display named Ice Castles, and it's located only in a few places in the United States, but pretty awesome rendition of ice castles. Excited to put this little extra footage in the clip, you know? So I hope y'all enjoy Loon Mountain and Cannon tomorrow. A little extra surprise. I know we're not in the mid-Atlantic, but we're gonna be back there soon, don't worry. I know I picked the season where we're having the better year almost, it seems, but thanks for tuning in this year.